Guys, what's going on? It's a Block Bull right about now, bringing you the latest episode to the channel. So, just a quick shout out to everyone that purchased an XRP plan. Link below in the description if you guys need to grab yourself an exit strategy. Make sure you do so. If it's not one of mine, make sure you tailor your own, because the last thing you want to be doing is, suffering from a rinse and repeat in the market. Yeah, we've seen massive drawdowns recently. We've also seen decent pumps over the last day or two. Okay, guys, so make sure we're taking profits at optimum times, and these strategies look to do. So we do have some massive news in the market. Now, we are going to cover mainly XRP and XCN in this particular video. Okay, we do have XCN Goliath mainnet coming today. That'll be launched today. This was actually tweeted out yesterday. Okay, so just ignore that. So yeah, looking very, very good. We've also got Watch a Guru as well. A lot of sort of vocality around Eric Trump, Donald Trump. Eric Trump saying here traditional finance had better catch up, meaning crypto, or it will be, or it will quickly become extinct. We've also got President Trump to make quote unquote investment announcement at some point today. So he's looking absolutely bullish. I do believe bottoms have gone in now, with obviously Bitcoin hitting 78k. I did showcase Bitcoin's chart the other day, where we actually ran into support on the sort of multi-year trend line. Yeah, a lot of people expected 72, 73 to sort of retest that 7-8 month with a consolidation before Bitcoin did run up to over $100,000 ultimately. But yeah, we got Donald Trump there again. We've also got the SEC dropping the Kraken lawsuit. So there's news dropping left, right, and centre with the SEC in terms of the cases being dismissed. So obviously that is going to fulfill a lot of XRP holders with a lot of optimism, because could SEC potentially be dropping the Ripple case? Who knows? Yeah. All we know is XRP is going to the moon very, very shortly, guys. So there we have it. Anyway, we've got all the news out of the way. Let's just take a look at the charts now. Like I say, Onyx Goliath mainnet is going live today. So we've already had the breakout here. So these are on the daily candles. We've got a breakout confirmation, I would say. This could potentially be in a fake out, or you could sort of accustom these to sort of account for these other closes. But ultimately, over the last couple of days, we've had a breakout. Yeah, we're currently trading at 1 cent 95, looking at getting up to 2 cents. So what the price is going to do upon Goliath mainnet, I really don't know, because you know what, this coin has got some massive, massive targets to be had. So first sort of target, obviously you're looking at taking out that previous sort of local high that was set at the back end of last month, well, back end of January, should I say, which is around just shy of 5 cents. So even if we saw XCM run up today upon that mainnet launch, if we run up 150%, I'd be very, very happy. I tell you that for nothing. So yeah, that would be the sort of first sort of checkpoint. Not that you're going to take profits. It's just being nice to see it in your portfolio again after, this recent 70% slow bleed. That was a long month out. It was like 4 or 5 weeks of just bleeding, and we created several sort of bull pennants inside of this structure. Yeah, we had bull pennant here. Say for example, we brought down, and then it just continued. You thought, you know what? Have we got a second bull pennant? And then it continued to slow bleed. So it's very frustrating. And you know what? There's no way of avoiding sort of crypto price action when it's like that. It's obviously just there to put you through the ringer, because obviously XCM price, or the people behind the market makers, whoever pumps the liquidity into the markets, they obviously want you to suffer and earn the bag, guys. Yeah, nothing comes easy in life. Nothing comes for free. Yeah, there's always some sort of price to be paid. But yeah, you can see XCN up 9%, doing really, really well. Now, what we'll do is we'll plot the fibs just of this sort of structure here from the local high. We'll use the magnet as well, just so it's more accurate. Capture that close there and that close down there. So these are the fibs. Now, the first fib, like I've just mentioned, just shy of 5 cent local high. But once we break out, which I do believe we will do, might not be today, it might be this week, or certainly in the coming weeks, will certainly be up around 10-11 cent. I do believe the 618 up around 10-11 cent. That is pretty much guaranteed. Now, the fact that the price has come down lower suggests to me that we can go even higher. And I'm targeting this 2618 fib level now, which is coming in approximately 40 cent. So 40 cent is where I will next be taking profit for XCN. Yeah, not financial advice. I've also got this purple order block up here. Now, this top, obviously, the bottom of this order block is coming in at this 2618, which is where I marked it out. The top of this order block is where the fibs are coming in from the bottom of sort of US selections. I'll tell you what, I can also plot it in for you guys. Yeah, so let's get fibs up. So it's from this high here, and then I would say from US selections is there. You can see where this blue line's coming in now. So that's coming in just shy of 50 cent, which is exactly why I've placed this order block here. So as soon as we get up to these sort of purple region, yeah, again, I don't know what path this is going to take. It could do something like this and then end up there. So ultimately, this is where I'll be taking profits for XCN. I'm hoping this can play out over the next couple of weeks, because ideally what I would like to do is start rotating some of my profits from Onyx into other cryptos, back into sort of XRP, XDC, so I can begin executing these plans along with you guys that have purchased. Okay, so yeah, I've got some significant numbers. Like I say, I've both got private videos for these now, guys, that'll send out if you was to grab one of those. Link below in the description as always. But yeah, that is XCN looking absolutely massive. We'll cover a little bit of XRP. I'm not going to go into too much depth because I don't want to give the sort of XRP plan away as much. But this is what XRP's been doing since the beginning of December. This is a 3-month worth of consolidation already. So this is key. This is going to be key structure moving forward. Now, we do know that April, May are the business ends of, a great significant move. So I do believe we're going to get a breakout. Like I say, it could be up until 19th of March where we get the sort of breakout, okay, and then we start running up. That would be the Fed meeting. So again, I've got all the key sort of targets for XRP to get up to in sort of phase 2. So this is ultimately, I would say, phase 1 down here. Let's see if we've got any sort of structure that we can actually plant out for you guys. Otherwise, I'm just gonna, I'll tell you what, I can use this. So this is take the magnet off as well. Somewhere around, this is like phase 1, and then ultimately you'll be looking at sort of phase 2, and then more than likely you're gonna get a phase 3, towards the sort of end of the year. Again, guys, all these sort of plots, all the predictions, AI recommendations, etc., are over there, guys. So that is XRP. This will act as a safety net, which is what I'm trying to get across with this structure. So once we see a breakout for XRP, we'll probably run up, get some like decent. Again, this is just illustration purposes. I'm not going to give you the accuracy because obviously, they're all over there. So say, for example, up and down is what I'm expecting for XRP before we do get moving again, guys. Okay, so that is XRP right now. We're just building a shelf, basically a safety net for when we do pump and dump, and then get that final third move, going into the second year. Or second half of the year, should I say, before we do see some tremendous numbers for XRP. But yeah, guys, I've been the Block Bull. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to share, like, comment, do what you got to do. As always, I've been the Block Bull. Until next time, the Block Bull is over and out.